Good day everyone, my name is Isa Pipito, a student, advocate, and a member of the Luggage of Academic Professionals and Interdisciplinary Society in the Philippines. Our organization promotes human rights, education, and social responsibility, especially when it comes to protecting the welfare of Filipino workers. So today, I'm here to advocate for one important workers' right, the right to safe and healthful working conditions. Under Presidential Decree number 442 or the Labor Code of the Philippines, it clearly states that every worker has the right to an environment that is safe, healthy, and free from serious hazards. Today, I want to talk about something crucial that affects every one of us, the right to safe and healthful working conditions. This is not just about avoiding physical injuries, it's about creating environments where people can thrive, where their well-being, both physical and mental, is prioritized. Think about it. Every day, millions go to work to provide for their families and contribute to our society. They deserve to do so without fear of injury, illness, or exploitation. This right encompasses everything from having proper safety equipment and training, to breathable air and clean facilities, through protection from excessive stress and harassment. We believe that we workers are safe and healthy. Everyone benefits. Businesses are more productive, communities are stronger, and our society becomes more just. So, what can you do? Educate yourself and others about these vital rights. Support organizations like Guardians of Labor that are on the front lines. If you see something unsafe, speak up. Your voice can make a difference. Thank you for listening. Let us stand together for the right to safe and healthful working conditions.